Hello, everyone, and welcome to this very special episode of Srinari, She Is You. Srinari is an e commerce platform where women entrepreneurs can sell their products and services. But at Srinari, we not only welcome women who have products or services, but we also encourage women who have different talents, who have ideas, who want to collaborate with us, and we welcome everyone with open arms to our Srinari family. Today is a very special episode because today the aim of Srinari to create a powerful community of women entrepreneurs across the world has taken a great step. Before I introduce you to my very special guest, there is something that I want to share with you. When I was young, I stumbled upon a quote by accident that read, respecting the otherness of others. I didn't realize the value or importance of that at such a young age. But as an adult, I have realized the importance of inclusion, how important it is to respect the similarities and the differences we all have as human beings. And any class, any office, or any space that celebrates these differences and has an inclusive mission is where magic happens. And one such Nari who is with us today, who creates this magic, is Vishakha Verma. She is from Dubai and she runs Vishakha's Dance Institute. I'm going to welcome her and then introduce her to you. Hi, Vishakha.
Namaste, namaste everyone. Thank you,
Thank you so much
Archita.
for this, Vishakha. Thank you so much for accepting to come to She Is You.
It's such a wonderful feeling that we got connected on this inclusion word, which,
Yes.
I think as parents and counselors and therapists and friends, we are all trying to. And thank you, Sri Nari, and thank you for being so humble to have me and my Nrityanganas on your wonderful platform.
Thank you, Vishakha. I have been following your work, your videos, and like I've told you before, every time I watch a video of yours, it is so emotional, but it's also so empowering, and it is important for everyone in the world to know what you're doing. And, and if we can get people to join this movement, collaborate with you, spread the word, I'm sure there's magic bound to happen all over, like I mentioned. So thank you so much for accepting to come, Vishaka. So Vishaka, let's start with this. I want you to introduce yourself. And as a person. So how did you get into this? Who is Vishaka? Can you tell the people who are watching?
Okay. Vishaka is a mother of two kids, wife of one husband, and a wonderful dance teacher. That's all I am.
And a wonderful human being, because
Oh,
I've been talking to you for past few months, and you are so positive, even though there were a few roadblocks in these past few months that we met also. But you have taken it in your stride, and I just love that. That is so powerful. So,
thank you, Archita. I'm just overwhelmed with your words. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This
so
is all.
Vishaka, tell about this dance therapy. Tell about your institute.
Okay. I run an institute in Dubai, which is the first inclusion dance and music institute where everybody is welcome. Everybody. Uh, uh, Generally, people tell me that we have two left feet. विशाखा मैम हमसे डांस होगा कि नहीं मुझे लगता है किसी को भी two left feet नहीं है. It's just your fears which stop you from trying something. So, anyways, Vishaka's was opened because I met a lot of, I've been working with these beautiful special angels for quite many years. And whenever I used to go and teach them, I used to hear from them, ma'am, there is no, we are not welcomed. Why we are not a part of a dance troupe or a fashion group or a singing sensation? Why? If they have to get trained, they have to call a teacher home,
Right.
not in a group, not in a classroom, where they want to feel the vibe of the classroom. The vibe of classroom, I'm sure now we all are understanding. It's not going to school, it's that classroom, those 32, 28 kids, which challenge you, which kind of push you, which kind of motivate you, which kind of inspire you to become better and better and better. And that whole masti, कैंटीन में जाना, वो मैथ्स क्लास को बंक करके टॉयलेट में जाना, बात बात पे पानी पीना कि नहीं बहुत प्यास लग रही है, या पेंसिल को शार्पन करना. अभी क्या हो रहा है? We are all at home and these kids are bound with their moms. Moms are sitting behind like helicopter and you know so our kids, God's grace, if we call ourselves, normal and we call them special, these special ones also want to feel the same thing. So this was the whole idea before, with starting my own venture, which God has gifted me. And these kids come with the normal ones. I don't know who to call normal and special, but it's like a very inclusive classroom. And we all have masti, we all have chai. Sometimes we all share our dabbas and we all giggle, we laugh at each other's mistakes. Trust me, we laugh at each other's mistakes.
Beautiful. That's beautiful.
So I think this is one beautiful thing Ma has blessed me with, Vishaka's Dance and Music Institute in Dubai, and I'm able to reach to so many lovely souls.
That's so nice. And only as children are we that innocent and open-hearted that we can laugh at each other's mistakes,
Absolutely.
And that's what
Absolutely.
I was saying, that importance of respecting the otherness of others. That quote for me came to life, only as an adult, because that's when I realized, oh, so Essa, you have to do. But as a
Right.
child, it was something that you're normal. You know that that you anyway respect everyone who comes your way.
Correct. And it's very, very beautiful, as well as, of course, it kind of, triggers in your mind when somebody jokes with you on a certain thing. Okay, now I'm talking about my dance classroom. I had this girl who used to come in a wheelchair. Okay, so when first time she came in, she was dressed up like a princess. She wore her best gown, okay, when she walked in Vishaka's. And God's grace, we had all our 3 rooms packed with children. Everybody stood, who's come, we are not used to, we are not very comfortable in it and all. And then this girl, within 5 minutes, she made friends with everybody.
How sweet.
And automatically, everybody also started coming close to her. Initially, yes, we kind of feel a little taken aback that no, we should not go close, or if we touch her, will she feel hurt or something? Suddenly, within those 5 minutes, the entire classroom was like as if she was a part of it. And these girls were taking her wheelchair all around the
Wow.
classroom, and she was laughing.
Beautiful.
You know?
Beautiful.
And they all came out and told me, ma'am, only she cannot walk, right? So this is what inclusion I want to, and I think so many people want to bring, that they are not from some other space. They are just little different from me and you, as you and me.
Yes,
No,
absolutely.
you are different, I'm different, but we are kind of adjusting with each other. So why are we tagging them just because of some look which we don't approve?
True, so true. That's a
It's
very,
just
very,
that.
very true. So I'm sure when you started, this dance therapy and this inclusive mission, I'm sure you reached out to a lot of people, and so were there any like obstacles that you faced, during the start of this?
सी अर्चिता, जब हम डांस बोलते हैं ना, तो एक बैड थॉट ऑटोमेटिकली आता है. ओके, द मोमेंट यू से डांस, पीपल क्लोज देयर डोर्स. नहीं 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 नहीं, डांस थोड़ी सिखाना है, इंजीनियर बनाना है.
So
Okay.
true.
So, or of course, yes, there was a lot of इससे क्या होगा, इसको करने से क्या होगा, इससे अच्छा पढ़ लेंगे, or probably we could do, something else, art and craft, or we could do something different, cooking for that matter. But for girls, yes, dance, no. And
Wow.
of course, when you talk about the determined ones, their parents are a little more sensitive towards a lot of things. They are more sensitive to, what log kya kahenge. This is one line which I've heard all through my 16 years कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. और मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि लोग क्या कहेंगे ये भी अगर हम सोचेंगे तो फिर लोग क्या सोचने वाले हैं.
True, true.
you know so anyways, we started a journey with not many people believing in dance as a therapy. Everybody thought कि dance सीखने के बाद she is she supposed to become a dancer. No. So that is not the goal of learning a particular art form. You don't know what this art form gifts you back with. It gifts you, first of all, your confidence. Your confidence becomes wow. Suddenly, I don't know if any kids we've seen nowadays, their postures are all like this. Nowadays, kids, they all are like this. And of course, my Nrityanganas, the determined Nrityanganas, because they hold their wheelchair or they hold their walker, or, because of some deformity, their automatically shoulders are drooped down. What do you do then? How do you correct it? You keep telling them, put them straight. फिर वो थोड़ी देर के बाद ऐसे हो जाता है. Then again, put them straight. Again ऐसे हो जाता है. But through dance, I have seen for so many years, after few months, automatically they want to sit like this.
Wow.
The moment, I think nowadays we all go for such grooming classes where you're taught how to sit, not to cross your hands, not to do this, not to cross your legs, right? So I think the way you sit makes a lot of impact, tells about you. How are you going to take it forward? So I think that's the first step I achieved with my Nrityanganas. The moment they started walking into the dance room like this.
Wow.
So yes, ups and downs are there, Archita. There are a lot of, no's. But I try to convince, I try to somewhere, make them fall in love with me so that they love my art form. That's all.
Lovely. Lovely. And I also think it's your, because your vision is so strong and your dream is so strong. I'm sure that's the aura,
Yeah.
you generate, right? And that's when the magic happens. So, that's why people are more confident, in just coming to you, whether they learn anything, whether there's improvement. I mean, that doesn't matter. But I'm sure, whatever I have seen of your work in terms of photographs or video and whatever we've spoken, I can feel it. So I can imagine the people who are around you, the power that they feel. So
Right.
I wanted to also ask you, Vishaka, in this whole context. So you are a self-made, successful entrepreneur, right? And how important do you think it is for women to be, not only financially independent, but have the complete freedom and growth as a woman? How important do you think that is?
See, it's very important for everybody, I think, Archita, be it a woman or anybody. But of course, women in particular, I think, because we all are somewhere taught not to believe in ourselves. We are told कि बड़े होके शादी ही करना है, शादी करके बच्चे ही करने हैं. तो somewhere I think those thoughts are there. कहीं ना कहीं we forget ourselves. भूल जाते हैं कि I wanted to do this. Like I meet a lot of moms, I meet a lot of women, and I try to tell them, that keep your dream alive. And there is no need to go on a dharna or fight for your rights. No. प्यार से बहुत कुछ हो जाता है, बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. And nowadays so amazing, like your platform is so good for women who are actually trying. They can get in touch with you. You are helping so many women to come out, showcase. It could be a sari drape, or it could be a food, it could it could be jewelry making. There's so many options, and can do it from home.
Yes, absolutely.
you know but
And women like that are inspirations for us, to do
absolutely,
what we're doing.
absolutely, I started my career from my home, from my drawing room. We had to sell our dining table, my husband's favorite dining table, क्योंकि मुझे space चाहिए था. And I was like, please ये निकाल दो यार, please यहाँ पे कुछ करते हैं ऐसे करके. So I mean, you start, but the problem somewhere, I feel, Archita, that we lose hope on our way. We lose hope. Of course, we lose hope, but next morning you have to gather back yourself.
Yes, absolutely.
You have to. And plus, I would not say that it's entirely me who has reached here. There has been a lot of support, lot of women in my life. My mom, first of all, my mom-in-law, my sister-in-laws. This is like a big support what you get from these
Yes,
women when they believe in your work.
absolutely.
When they think. And of course, my better half, or maybe I'm the better half, Mera Sindoor. And after him, it was my kids who believed that what mama is doing, yeah, what my daughter-in-law is doing, yeah, what my daughter is doing is good. So that gives you that little push.
Absolutely.
But
Absolutely.
you have to walk. I really want all the women to really believe in themselves. That's all.
Absolutely. Very, very important. And so, I mean, now that you're talking about believing in what you do, and so how have the parents, of children with special needs, how have they reacted, to this dance therapy? The whole idea, of course, it's new for many people, right? Any a different form of therapy, whether it's music therapy or dance therapy, it's new for a lot of people. So,
Yeah.
how has the reactions, initially been? What kind of a feedback have you got from parents or mothers?
Archita, initially, parents would not be very, very convinced कि इससे कुछ होगा. See, whenever we want our child to learn something, I think 65 to 70% parents expect कुछ होगा. My child will become a wow, something wow होने वाला है. तो उनका जो wow का definition है, like you start running, you don't become a PT Usha, right? You need a lot of patience, you need a lot of training, you need a lot of other things. So when it comes to the determined ones, they are of course a little hesitant about कि कैसे होगा, और इससे कुछ होगा, और इसमें कितना हमको इन्वेस्ट करना है. you know, because for them, speech or any other therapy is more important than dance therapy.
I understand. Yeah. But
Okay,
like you're saying, it works both ways. You know,
absolutely.
their contribution and of course, your support, it
Right,
always works both
right,
ways.
right. Because I think, like in Reiki, we say if the person who's receiving Reiki is very accepting mode, only then my energy I can transfer. If
True.
you have closed doors, I really cannot, you know. But initially, yes, I had a lot of here and there. But now God has been very kind. My Nrityanganas are doing very well. So they are, making me popular. Actually, I don't do anything. So whenever they dance somewhere or they show some confidence or they at the dinner table, they say, we love Vishaka ma'am, finished. My job is done. So
So we have one parent with us today, right? Yeah.
yes,
And she's from Bangalore,
yes,
right? So I'm going to call Sangamitrai, just
yes,
invite her, and then we will let her introduce herself.
yes, yes.
Hi, hello, hi everybody.
Hi, Sangha.
Hi Archita.
Hi, can you hear us?
Yeah, very well. I hope you can hear
Yes,
me clearly.
yes, we can.
Thanks a lot for inviting me.
Thank you for coming, and I'm so glad you've accepted to join. Srinari, she is you. Thank
Oh,
you
it's my
so much.
pleasure.
So please tell us something about, of course, yourself, and about your beautiful angel. I want everyone to hear. I have heard about you and from Vishakha, of course, but it'd be great to hear for others to hear and get inspired, by your story. Please go ahead.
Sure. It's a very short, sweet story. So I am Sangamitrai from Bangalore. Basically, I was working but became a homemaker and a caretaker full time because my daughter, she's now 12 years old, and she's diagnosed with a very severe progressive disorder called Rett syndrome. So she keeps losing her milestone and get into new challenges. But as years went on, we accepted whoever she is, whatever she is, and we started working on making her life beautiful along with us. So that's when, very recently, actually, around I think 4 or 5 months before, is when we met Vishaka ma'am. So after that, it's like I am also rediscovering myself after so long. Okay, we instantly fell in love with the dance therapy because I was a dancer for quite a few years, and family and career, and especially after my daughter, it was a big break. Actually, when my daughter was born, I had a plan of doing a second innings of dancing with her until I knew she was a special child. So I thought my dreams have, gone down. I can't relive them, but I'm reliving it now almost every day. So that's
I
the
know,
major thing.
Sangha, now, I mean, you are dancing with Sugi, and it's so beautiful together to watch you both. That's nice.
Yeah, and the smile that she gives when she gets into dance, and when she sees Vishaka ma'am, I mean, that's enough. That makes my day.
I
That
can
makes my
imagine
life.
because it's beautiful. It's magical. Like I go on saying, it's lovely.
Yeah, because it's like very less she can express. It's only through her smiles that she really can express her love and happiness. She's completely dependent on me, wheelchaired, and with a lot of complications. So, and even this COVID times, I'm not able to take her out for any therapy. I'll have to continue doing her therapy every day, especially physical therapy, just to maintain her status without her deformities troubling her. But it was getting bored, and with all the household work and everything, doing her therapy was a little tough. But when this dance therapy came in, it was so nice thing, because the physical therapy became so easy. It's like along with the other companions and along with our favorite, she loves music. So these angels really connect with music very well. And I love music. So it became every day, it became a very easy activity. So I'm like, Abba, dance therapy is there. I can tick off her physical activity. It is done with so much of ease and fun.
Nice.
That was the major happiness that we felt.
So sweet.
Very nice.
So
Very nice.
now here we are actually sharing it with our friends and others so that they also get the benefit of it. And especially as you mentioned with Vishaka ma'am, she has a very very personal touch, though we have never met her. It's only through the screen that we know her. The moment we see her on the screen, my daughter especially, she glows with that smile and happiness. She's like, I know you. You're my favorite auntie. You make me
Just
dance.
now we had a session, Archita, today in the afternoon. And last evening I had a session with Sugi. Sugi is Sanga's daughter, and she's not verbal. So today again in the morning, the moment she saw me, suddenly she was like, again this auntie is back. I saw her yesterday. Again she's back. And we had a blast. I mean, Sangha, very years ago, you when these quotes started coming, right? Initially, we used to have these muhavras. Okay, my mom is a Sanskrit teacher, so she used to always Hindi Sanskrit. But in English, they say that love does not need words.
True.
These
Right.
beautiful angels have actually taught me how to be in silence, and actually, you can communicate so much.
Yeah,
So
true.
true.
She doesn't have to tell me no or yes or something. We can make out, when she's doing enough. I'm tired now. Enough of pulling my hands. Enough of making me do right, left. Can you play some good song now? This song is irritating. Seriously, they're so honest that if I'm trying to play a very classical number, Archita, they don't want to hear, okay? They want to hear all item numbers like what we all love, but because
Yeah.
of society, we don't hear.
Correct. So true.
you know so that's amazing. Thank you, Sangha. Thank you so much.
Thank
You
you
Thank
so
you,
are
much.
an
Vishaka.
amazing mom.
Thank you, and we wish you all the very best. And I hope to connect with you again. And I want to see more videos of you also dancing.
Oh
Yes.
yeah,
So
sure.
please share with us. And
Definitely.
you're free to share on our page also. You can just send it to me, and I will share it with everyone. And I want mothers like you with beautiful angels to inspire other mothers. So please keep sharing the word. Please keep spreading the word. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much
Thank you,
for having
Sangha.
me.
Thank you. I must tell you that she is such a brave mom. Anytime I connect, 4 times in a week we connect to have our sessions, all the time.
Beautiful.
And just now, I don't know, she's not there, I'll tell you. I wanted Sugi also to come, her little daughter who sits on her lap, but she had an epilepsy attack
Oh
just now.
my God. My God.
And see the mom. Hats
Yes.
off.
Hats off. Wow.
She didn't message me to say, विशाखा मैम नहीं आऊंगी. She said, मैम सुगी नहीं आएगी क्योंकि मैंने उसको ना थोड़ा यहाँ सुला दिया है.
My
I
God.
mean, I was like,
I know it's giving me goosebumps. My God. My God. I mean, see the power, that's the power. Beautiful. But and also because she believes in you so much, and that is so nice to know.
it's all God's blessings, Archita. But these moms, they inspire me.
Yes.
You should see, I'll share a couple of videos with you where these moms hold their kids and they move their hands and legs and neck. I mean, to do that for 45 minutes every day. And after that, clean their mouth, give them water, make them to sleep, and then come back and give me that smile. हम तो छोटी छोटी बातों पे इतना जल्दी गुस्सा करते हैं.
Absolutely.
जूता यहाँ क्यों छोड़ दिया, टावल वहां क्यों फेंक दिया, ये क्यों कर दिया, you know there's so
So
much
trivial.
to
Like,
learn.
the things that we lose our mind on or lose our patience with, such trivial things in life, and then you're faced with this kind of strength and thinking, that it really makes you, really rewire your mind a
Yeah.
little.
Yes, that's the right word, rewire. We all need to rewire. I'll just take 2 minutes and I'll tell you this is what I talk to a lot of moms and I tell them, don't get worried about your child's grades. Don't get worried about your child not doing something to your expectation. Be very, very blessed that he or she is able to do what so many are struggling every morning.
So true. So true. Yes.
We need to come out of these petty little things to get worried. वो क्यों, उसकी साड़ी क्यों, उसका गहना क्यों, उसके घर में क्यों, ये क्यों. We really need to come out. We really need to rewire. I love that word. I love that word. I'm going to use it, inshallah, very, very soon.
No, because I very strongly believe, and in fact, for the launch of Srinari, that was one of our campaigns, where we really said that you have to, first of all, rethink the stigmas in the society, right? Rewire your thoughts, right? Based on these so-called stigmas that are like, completely, you're fed that every day, right? And then rewrite it, right? It's on every one of us, every individual, to rewrite these thoughts, right? And let's not just stick to what we have so-called been taught or have heard of. So let's rewrite our story.
Right.
Let's rewrite history. That is important, and I very strongly believe in that.
Such a
So,
powerful.
Vishaka, I just wanted, there are few people who have messaged us from morning, and they have asked, so how do we reach ma'am? And so I see that, I know that you have a lot of students who are in India, and
Yes.
in fact, you have won award from the government over
Yes.
here. I would like for you to say a bit about the award that you won, and also tell us a little bit, on how these mothers or anyone who wants to get in touch with you, how do they do that?
Right. Okay, we have a Facebook page. We are on YouTube. We are on Instagram. It's called Vishaka's Dance. The moment you type, मेरा beautiful सा चेहरा आ जाएगा सामने. Or whoever's connecting through Srinari, please trouble this beautiful woman who is absolutely looking such stunning with her nose ring, which I envy.
Thank you.
And just message us. COVID times, this is one beautiful thing which has happened to me. When I started Vishaka's in Dubai, you always want to reach out to many, right? So when I started putting, very hesitatingly, I started putting my videos with my Nrityanganas because I didn't want people to laugh or think that we want sympathies. No, we are not here for sympathies. I'm not here to hear your awe. I'm here to hear a wow.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Secondly, why my Nrityanganas and me are always on social media? Because I want them to get recognized like you and me.
Yes.
I want them, if tomorrow they are walking for an interview, you should be able to, I've seen this girl somewhere. Oh yeah, she's very capable of doing. Yes, this is what through dance, I want that confidence for them as well. Because when beautiful people like Archita write a small comment, my Nrityanganas read. And they tell me, Auntie Vishaka and ma'am, do you know Archita auntie wrote this? Imagine that day has gone so beautiful.
I know.
You all can message us on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. My numbers are also there on my Facebook page and my Instagram page. Um, I am working with 3 NGOs in India, Bangalore, Chennai, and one is in Mumbai, three of them, and connected with almost now 270 kids all over the globe.
Wow. Wow.
So COVID is amazing. And yes, I used to think, how will I teach online? But these kids are amazing. They
Yes.
get, they love, even if they've not seen me, as just now Sangha said, like Sangha, we have almost 250 kids, and you keep seeing them on my page as well. Almost half of them are from India abhi. बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Yeah, and of course, and they are, I think they are much more talented than any of us.
Absolutely.
See, although we think we are normal and we can do anything, but there are so many limitations in our mind, that we don't do so many things. But and people perceive these children as, oh my god, itna limitations hai, ye special need hai, ye hai, wo hai. But then see, they don't think of themselves like that. And I remember very clearly, Vaishnavi,
Ah,
one of your students, and
yes,
she's brilliant. In fact, the first video I ever saw was of
right.
you and Vaishnavi. I think it was a library or a reading space,
Right. Yes.
and that was a beautiful video. And I remember in one of your live sessions, Vaishnavi, in fact, she said, like, at the end of your session, she said, "If I can do it, you can do it." And
Absolutely.
my god, that was just so heartwarming, and that was an eye opener, right? We all have so many limitations in our head, but for Vaishnavi to come forward and say that was just so beautiful.
Actually, Archita, for all of them, to come out in the in our society, that first step needs a little encouragement from a teacher or an outsider. That's all. That's all I do. After that, I get amazed. I mean, since you're talking about Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi is my first Kathak student.
Wow.
Before that, all of them learned Bollywood. Nobody wanted to learn Kathak, because सबको लगता है कथक कैसे होगा. Probably मैंने भी नहीं सोचा. But this girl's mom, she said, Vishaka ji, Kathak सीखना है. And I also said yes. Vaishnavi was next morning at my studio. Now she walks with a walker, so her hands have to hold the walker and her feet just drag. When she entered, I was into this mode that I said, yes, how do I teach her? But this girl used to practice every session for 2 hours.
Wow. Wow.
She was an inclusive class with ladies and grown-ups. And initially they all would come and say, oh, Vaishnavi, no, baby, don't do. And Vaishnavi used to give them one stare. They really don't like this. This is why I'm saying we don't want awe.
Yes.
We want wow, and you can do it. These are the two words we want to hear. But this girl, they would take a water break, they would sit and gossip, we would have chai. This girl would hold her walker and keep on doing that. Take that, take that.
Wow.
Just imagine
Wow.
how inspiring that is.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And she has beautiful expressions, because I've seen so many videos of hers. She has beautiful expressions. She's gorgeous. She's just gorgeous. And to have such, she's so strong. I mean, now I know that of course, I knew her strength, and because everyone can see it, but she has this, that I have to do it, and that's brilliant.
Yeah, that will. Only we are the ones. I think that's why every live or every talk session, I really say bow down and ask forgiveness, because we are the society. We have somewhere discouraged, our own angels. we have been ignorant, or we have not been so accepting. But now the change is coming. The change wave is coming. I can see a lot of change. Lot of my Nityanganas, when they go out, people are willing to help them. People are willing to give them a job. People are willing to listen to them. Even if they are with a little delayed speech, people
Mm.
are little, you know. So today we have another beautiful Nityangana with us. So I'm sure, is she there, Archita?
Yes, I'll just add her.
Now this is one, अभी क्या बोले हम, वरुण धवन. Hello, my Varun Dhawan. Hello.
I'm just adjusting the camera.
Please.
Hi.
Hi.
Just a minute.
Hi, Simran.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Simran, you're looking so beautiful.
ये क्या किया?
हाँ, कैसे हो आप? हाँ.
So you can see it, right? I hope you can see all
Yes,
of us.
yes, I can see you also, beautiful sister. Before Simran, I want to really tell you something, Archita, about this girl who's sitting behind Simran. She Simran's actually तो biologically elder sister है वो, लेकिन वो हम सबके लिए एक fairy sister है.
Wow.
She makes all her dreams come possible, of course, with her mom and dad's help, with my help, or any other teacher's help. But she is an amazing sister. I really want a big sister like her in my next janam, because she doesn't want to become my buddy sister because I'm too old for her. I've always told her I really want a buddy behen like you. So hats off, Khushbu. Khushbu, would you like to talk something?
Well, thank you for having us here today. It's really honor being here in Vishaka's session and meeting you, Miss Archita. It's really nice meeting you. And
It's an
thank you
honor
for
for
those.
me. Thank you. It's an honor for me that you have come. Both of you have come. It's an honor. Thank you.
And thank you so much for those overwhelming words, Vishaka ma'am. Sometimes I say Guruma, sometimes I say ma'am. Sometimes when I'm on
मुझे
phone,
देखो,
I
गुरु
think
माँ तक
we
ठीक है.
don't.
गुरु माँ तक ठीक है.
But
अगले जन्म में
so,
तो मैं छोटी बहन बन के आने वाली हूँ.
yeah, cool. Twins rather. So when I'm on phone with Miss Vishaka, I don't really go with Guruma and all because she and me, we don't feel the age gap. So sometimes I would like Vishaka pata hai aisa hua tha, and then I'd be like, nahi. I've come. Sometimes I forget that she's my sister's Guruma. So it took me a time. It took me time to get used to that, and she's right here, my little sister, a teenager because she hates being called little here. She's grown up, she's 16 here. So listening to pet names and little and all is not what she goes along with. Vishaka has seen it clearly. You call her Simi or Simu, she'll just walk off. Like you have to sit and spend time convincing her that we are sorry for what we have said. And I think it was really blessing that we met Vishaka. Simran was in school Manzil, and she is very passionate about dancing, but a very shy kid. So she would not talk much and not converse with anybody, and she would just be like in one end. And she was passionate of dancing. When she was at home, she would play videos or dance. But when in school, I remember first time when she was on stage, she was a bear. She was dressed up in a bear costume because the bear had to do this. So she was right there, and Guruma used to go to her school for training students, and that's where she saw her. And she's like, ये इससे ज़्यादा कर सकती है. हमने करती है, but यहाँ नहीं कर रही. So we met her, and she's like, no, I will push. And then she approached her school, and she said, no, give me this girl. She needs to be here, not there. And then she got a role which was in the group. Of course, it took a lot of training because for her dancing was not difficult to catch, but confidence was which went next level. So we had to work more on that rather than the dance steps. Steps she would pick, of course, it was not going according to the sound. the song will be here and her steps are here. So she would always finish her steps faster than the song. That is one thing we are still working on. The song is done, and before that, she is also done dancing. It's over. People are still looking at her. There is more, but it's done. So that was a trick there, and Vishaka got it right there. And then since then, we've been sending her to her Vishaka's dance, and it's been great because she got a lot of platforms, not only with groups. She was dancing with a lot of groups, from the smallest to the youngest to the senior. Any group you say, Simran is right there. So Vishaka would call me every आज पता है यहाँ पे इवेंट है इसको कराना है हाँ we'll start practicing now only इसका costume ready हो जाना चाहिए and I'm like हाँ okay. So like that she kept coming forward. Her school recognized her, and then uske baad there came a point where there was some dance that was supposed to happen
Which
in
she
school,
has,
and
which she has taught the other students
taught
here
them.
at this juncture. I really want to say the girl who was the shy one never would come forward. Last year for Navratri function, we had learned personally, like Simran and me, we had done Chaugada Tara. And I used to go to Manzil at that time also. But I was told, Vishaka, abhi Simran sikha rahi hai sare bachon ko.
Wow.
That, and
So
I have a
got a
video
call that
girl is teaching right, left, forward,
yes,
back.
there was a point when one of the teachers didn't do it correctly, and she's like, no. Listen, because that's how Vishaka would always tell Simran. Simran, listen carefully. So she's telling them that, and when I went to PTA meeting in school, and they told me that, I was like, oh God, she's going to take Vishaka's job here. Because I was shown the
She
video,
will.
and I was like, what is this?
For all you know, she will. She will become a teacher very soon.
Absolutely. But she is actually the
Let's
teacher
keep
of
up.
the house. She is the
That
teacher
is,
of
that
the
she is.
house. She tells everybody what to be done, how to be done, not to hug. This is COVID. Sanitize, stay away, don't hug. This is
She's a
sleeping time,
OCD here.
eating time.
So she's a
है ना,
OCD
Simran?
here. Learned it from me. Yes, huh, Simran? No touching, no hugging. So Vishaka tries to hug her every time. She
हाँ,
just pushes her.
she
No.
pushes me. That was, recently when the studio had opened, she was the first one to come in because we'd not seen each other for almost 5 months. And the
Right.
moment I saw her, like a fool, I thought, Chalo, let me hug. She's telling, no, it's COVID. I got so embarrassed.
No,
I
but
mean,
that is so true. Social distancing you have to maintain during
right?
COVID.
But see,
Absolutely
I
right.
think,
But she
I
does that with
think
us at
remember.
home. She
So
does that
good.
with us at home. Like when we go to her and I'm like this, she's like, no. I said, it's a flying kiss. She's like, no. You will blow out. I said, okay, forget it. But become very confident with Vishaka, one, I must say. Of recent, she's been busy with her school, and she has a dad who's paranoid because of the pandemic. So we were doing online classes with Vishaka. Of course, the feel is still not the same. I feel, of course, it's a honor getting in touch on a Zoom class also with Vishaka's. But when you're face to face with her, it's a different aura, a different vibe. Nothing can match that because
I can
that
imagine.
time it's like it's her kid and her, and you can just sit back and watch the show. Because even if it's the first practice session, it doesn't look like a practice. Eventually, I think when you enter the room and if it's the first dance of a child, you'll be like, "Yaar, ye kya kar rahe hain? They're having fun. I don't think I want to send my kid here." That's some people have that thought. Ki if they're laughing means work is not happening. Some of them have this sigma that that's the thing. So in the start, that's how you'll feel. Man, they're just joking around. They're playing. Time हो गया 1 घंटा क्या पढ़ाया क्या सिखाया that's the kind of. I remember when we used to go to school, our parents would be like इतनी छुट्टियां आ जाती क्या बच्चे पढ़ के आते हैं घर से, those kind of things. But eventually, finally, when one fine day the song is played, after 5 to 6 classes, of course, depending on your ability of the child, your child will dance. Maybe not the hand movements, maybe it's just the simple feet movements, maybe it's the facial expression, maybe it's just the fingers, but you will see a change. It will take time. We have to be patient, of course, because with our special, we have to be extra patient. But there is a change, the slightest change. But with Vishaka's, yes, there is a change. With her, I will not only say about her dance steps, but confidence. Yes, today
Yes.
Simran has been dancing in almost back to back global village shows. Every year she's there. Not one performance, not two, but three at times. And she just
Wow.
keeps changing clothes. Abhi ye nahi, abhi ye, abhi ye, abhi ye, abhi ye. And she's been doing that from very long. So yeah, and she's very spontaneous with her dance at times because she remembers the steps that have been taught. So she
Yes.
blends in something, some Maggie noodles is cooked, and the
Ah.
final product is jazz.
Hmm.
So she does that. And
अभी तो
sometimes she tells
मालूम
Vishaka, this song, ये गाना नहीं चाहिए.
करेक्ट
If Vishaka has
करेक्ट
planned the
राइट
dance, she must have planned कि ये करना है. And she and me have decided ठीक है यही करना है. This one will go there. ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करेंगे. And then she will pick a new song from her phone. She's like ये latest है, ये करेंगे. And Vishaka would be like हाँ जो तुम बोलो. So that's how her journey is.
But lovely, lovely,
And
and, and, and
it's
I'm
been
glad
like
she has such a supportive family.
yes yes you know the family
got all the support.
really you know all three her mom her dad all three of them are
She's
like
her dad.
हाँ,
She's her dad's daughter.
पापा की
She's
बिटिया
हमारी adopted, but उसकी सगी है वो. So she's purely her dad. So our kids are split in the house. I'm my mom's and she's purely dad's. And she's
hello
listening to
there's
that.
no split and all okay you're loved you're also loved please
Yeah, I'm loved by
Simran
the world.
आज सिमरन कौन सा डांस
Hi,
करेगी
say hi. Which song Simran is going to dance? 2.0. So she's trying to say
oh my
illegal weapon.
god wow ready let's dance
She's all ready. She's ready.
even
Are you
we
ready?
also dance
You're ready?
even
Okay,
Archita
go.
auntie will
Take the
dance
Absolutely. Archana aunty will dance so bad, Simran will not dance.
one.
I'm so excited.
I'm just going to put
I
it
think
on for
थोड़ा
you.
camera.
थोड़ा सा और खुशबू फिल्मों
Yeah,
फ्रेम में
I'm
नहीं
going to hold it still for her.
या
Just give me a minute. I'll just hold
I
it
think
for
you have to
you
push
all,
the screen.
so you'll
Oh,
be
she's
able
gonna
to
hold.
see her. I think now it's okay.
हाँ better
Now you can see her, right? Okay. Simran, are you ready?
oh I'm ready oh my god I love this confidence
हाथ धुर में से भर के तैयार की खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती
Wow.
oh
धुर में से भर के तैयार की खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरा यार भरेगा मेरा नु सूली उते तंगी रख दे मेरा की तलवार भरेगा मेरा नु
oh
सूली उते तंगी रख दे की तलवार भरेगा गल पानी अंड चट्टी लग हानियां जमा दो कैम से तो पूरी तक हानियां लग हानियां तो कितना बुलंदा मेरे होड़ चल के नेचुरल ब्यूटी करे है कहानियां राइना मुझ पे तुम्हारे सोने राइना मुझ पे तुम्हारे सोने तू जरा सा भी नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा मेरा नु सूली उते टंगी रख दे खुदा की तलवार वर्गा मेरा नु सूली उते टंगी रख दे मेरा खुदा की तलवार वर्गा
Say
Wow,
thank
you're so beautiful, so graceful.
Love you so much.
Thank you so much.
She was so good.
She was so
So
good,
So yeah,
Mom.
that was
Like so graceful. And I think people on who are watching are going mad. There are so many comments coming.
She is that Varun Dhawan.
everyone. Yeah, everyone. She's a
Oh,
hardcore
you're
Varun Dhawan
welcome.
fan.
Yes, she's one Varun Dhawan fan. Archita, at this point, I would like to say, she tells her sister, Varun Dhawan मेरा है. क्योंकि तू तो मोटी है ना, तो तेरे पास नहीं जाएगा वो मेरे पास ही आएगा.
And she's giving me
Yes.
Arjun Kapoor. She's giving me Arjun Kapoor.
She gave Arjun Kapoor to the sister and said, "You keep Arjun Kapoor, not Varun Dhawan."
Oh, wow. But
Made her
Simran,
dream
thank
come
you
true. She
so
has met
much.
Varun
That was so nice. You're so beautiful and so talented. I don't think. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. That made my day. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Love you. Bye. I love you. I love you. Oh my God. that's
Thank you so
good.
much. Carry on.
Love
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
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 Bye. So wonderful.
Wow. Wow, she's so graceful. I wish I had 1% of that. Wow. That, I'm going to listen. My mother is going to really give me after watching this. My mother was a dance teacher, and she was teaching Hindi for the longest time in school, and she used to also teach dance. And she's always told me, you never dance. I'm a dance teacher. You never dance. And after seeing this, she's really going to give it to me after this.
So please join Vishaka's dance and music classes. Let me tell myself.
But thank you so much for this, Vishaka. This made my, I don't know, day would be a small word, but it just made my, it's so beautiful to watch Simran. And my God, she's so, so graceful. I know I'm saying this, I'm repeating myself, but I'm just awestruck by her performance. And my husband is actually right near me, of course, off the camera. He was actually dancing here.
Awesome.
But thank you so much. I mean, that's an experience of a lifetime. Thank you.
Yes, thank
and
you.
that shows that there's so much of love that you give, that they really bloom. They bloom into these, and they always have it, but they need somebody like you,
Yes.
to bring it out. And
Yes.
I thank you on behalf of all of them, and of course the many more people who are going to join this inclusive mission of yours. On behalf of all of them, I thank you for having such a beautiful mind and thinking of doing something like this.
Thank you. Thank you. So beautiful, so blessed.
Thank you. And Vishaka, so before we wrap up,
Yes.
is there something that you would like to tell, parents who have special children and who probably are, not yet exposed to this, or who are watching today, or who are going to watch this in future? Is there something that you would like to tell them, that will help them, open their minds and accept, a therapy like this or anything?
That's the right word, what you said, Archita. I tell everyone, acceptance is the key. First of all, accept. Okay? Be it a special parent or be it a so-called normal parents, please accept and learn your child's abilities. There are so many openings nowadays. You just don't have to be an engineer or a doctor. Please let your child bloom. If they want to become a singer, they want to become a chef. And I always tell everyone that we learned dance. I think it's some grace of God, but we as normal humans, we are only trained to learn only one part, just the studies. We actually are not born to take care of sports and arts and everything. But these angels are so blessed with these co-curricular activities. They can really shine.
Wow. Yes, yes, absolutely.
They're really shining. They be it sportsmanship, be it anything, because they're very focused. Very focused. You have to just identify one wow-ness of them. Don't crowd them. Don't crowd them. ये भी करो, वो भी करो, ये भी करो. If he or she wants to sing, please let them sing. You never know, tomorrow he would be the next Arjit Singh. Because they're so dedicated. Their passion, their dedication is outstanding, Archita. I have seen them dancing for 4 hours because they want to dance. You know, we take breaks, we'll go check our WhatsApp, then we'll check out Facebook. They will not. Their focus is, I have come for dance and I have to perform. That's it. So imagine if we, catch them early and we keep training them on something. Why not?
Absolutely. They do wonders.
So acceptance and happiness, two things we should look out for rather than competition. There's no competition. There's really no competition between any of us. I'm a different flower, you're a different flower. And each one of us have our own fragrance. So acceptance and happiness should be the key. And our world is going to be a better, inclusive world.
So true. So true. Thank you for that message. And I hope it reaches, everyone the way it is. And today, as we are wrapping up, I make one promise to you that I will do my very best, to spread the word about what you are doing. And I hope that, people not only join this mission, but they also help you carry it forward. The only way that we can reach the maximum number of people, open the maximum number of minds around us, is to do it together.
Absolutely.
All of us have it in us, and we will do that.
Thank you, Archita. You are one of the very few. I've told you a week ago and you were surprised. It's not a lie, but you are the very few who have come out just with pure love and pure acceptance, and which I am so, so, so humbled with gratitude.
Thank you so much.
Just your saying, gives me hope that I would be able to reach 2,000 more. Because it's not about any therapy, it's about the happiness what we are giving.
Yes.
And that's enough. Happiness is all we need, right? We're all eating antidepressants, we're all eating hormonal imbalance medicines. Why? Dance for 1 hour in that beautiful vibe, and you go into that meditative state of mind, and everything heals. Everything heals. So thank you, Dil Se, from the entire Vishakhas, from all my Nrityanganas. We have a huge, huge, huge people family, which I was telling them about Archita today. And again, we will say, Archita, thank you so much. Lots of blessings, lots of grace to you and your family. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vishaka. And I'm so glad that, I took that step of connecting with you, because I know not only are you a beautiful person, but, I'm glad I made a friend in you. And, and we will grow stronger together, whether it is Srinari, whether it is Vishaka, whether anything else that we do in future, we will give it our complete best and we will grow together. And thank you so much for accepting to do this with me.
Thank you.
All my love to all your students. And I can't wait to come there and meet all of them. I mean, that will be one of, now that's on my bucket list, to come there and meet all of you. And, thank you so much, Vishaka. Thank you for joining. And I hope that we have a performance and the whole group some performance exclusively for us, and
Absolutely.
I can't wait for that.
Definitely. Thank you.
Bye-bye,
Thank you,
Vishaka.
Archita. Bye-bye.
Oof. So, guys, that was Vishaka, that was Simran, and I'm actually in loss of words. I mean, that was so beautiful. For those of you who actually joined in late or missed Simran's performance, please come back and watch her performance because she is beautiful. And this is what we are talking about, inclusion. When you celebrate the differences, celebrate the similarities, celebrate the differences, let the differences bloom, help support people grow. And just by simple, all you have to do is just be there for somebody, for anybody, and they will just grow magically, and that magic will touch your life too. Today, I'm so inspired by Vishaka, her work, her students, and everybody, and that makes me want to do more. Thank you so much for joining in, and I hope I see all of you again for our next episode. And I promise you guys, I'm going to get an amazing performance video from Vishaka and all her students just for all of you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.